You're listening to Oncle Jazz.
Hey guys, today we're making chopsticks at Kyoto. Malapit pala to sa Yasaka Temple. Ganda oh. Ayan lang oh. So, inavail ko pala siya sa Agoda. Pero meron din sa Klook. Mas mura nga lang dun sa Agoda na activity kasi may promo sila. Let's go! Hello! For Kia, chopstick. For here.
For you, we ask you to come back at 11.
11.
Yeah, you are
Exactly.
too early. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Thank you. Too early pa daw. Pero 10 a.m. ang opening nila. Though 11 yung schedule ko. Kaya mag-ikot-ikot muna. Let's go. Ito yung mga shop near the pagoda. Ang cute. Daming dagaan. Lokata. Kimono. Ano kaya mabili? Mga cafe. Japanese pudding. Uy, soft serve. Open na sila ha. Mamaya. So, if may kimono rental kayo, to meron mga 8,500. Yan. Pinakamalapit na shop sa... Wala masyadong tao ngayon dahil basa mo. Tapos umulan kanina ng malakas. Ganda oh.
Because again,
Medyo uphill nga lang siya, guys.
are like very open, you know. They can start
Daming coffee shops here. Nagpo-photoshoot sila dito. Ay, kasi ako aesthetic mo. Oh, may temple din dito. Mini temple. Restaurant. Tsaka I think mga bahay to. Ay. Para ako nasa Demon Slayer. Alam niyo yun, yung nasa Castle ni Musan. So yung mga crows na crows na nagbabalita. Matcha Dorayaki. Alam niyo ba, TMI? Hindi ako mahilig sa matcha. Hindi na to tolerate ng tiyan ko yung matcha with, yung ice matcha na may milk. Pero pag hot matcha tea, para lang siyang green tea sa akin. Ang ganda ng store din na to. I mean restaurant. Lian Restaurant. Since 1925 pa siya. Resort pala. Kaya pala. Resort and restaurant. Mga residential. May pa free take. Free take. 600 to 700 yen daw. Sobra lapit ko na sa pagoda. Asaka pagoda. Yasaka Mimachi. Udon. Ang daming mga souvenir shops dito. Gusto kong bumili. Mga ganyan.
Here we have varieties of wood here. This one is Hiva wood, this one is Hinoki wood. these two are included in your booking, this line. But from this line, it's not included yet. So if you want to upgrade your wood, you can also choose from here as well. And one more tip is please see the star rating here. The difficulty level, 1 star. This one also 1 star. 1 star is good for beginner. The wood is not that hard to shape it and sand it.
Try natin itong
Yes, please have a seat. Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines, mabuhay.
Konnichiwa.
Usually we have wonderful.
Is it difficult to shape? Ay, Jenga.
This one use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed, so I use right hand here. Left hand support the top for the stabilities, and you will shape all the way down to your side like this. This put a bit pressure on your dominant hand, and you can see 3 lines on the shaping board like this: left, center, right. Left line, you will insert the surface one, then you shape it until it's flat. If no more wood are coming out, just switch to something.
Ay, kapitbahay lang, nice. Lunch na tayo. Tapos ng chopstick making. Naka 190 Wagyu beef with tamago. Ano ito kainin? Papunta naman tayo doon sa may mochi-mochi. Guys, uphill to Tapos, pababa. Siyempre, downhill medyo steep. Ayan, ganyan. May nadapado na matanda. So, may kasama kayong parents na medyo na yung tuhod. Ingat. Ingatan nyo. Tsaka dapat nakaano kayo dito sa Kyoto. Sneakers. Sneakers. Para ready. Grabe yung waiting line. Pero kung ayaw nyo mag-wait, ito kayong bumili. Kabila. Grabe yung waiting line.
Okay?
Hi.
Yeah, okay. それでは参りましょう。チョコモチ、抹茶餅いただきました。よっ、大きい。ありがとうございます。それでは参りましょう。お願いします。せーの、よいしょ、はい。よいしょ、はい。よいしょ、はい。よいしょ、はい。よいしょ、はい。よいしょ、はい。よいしょ、はい。よいしょ、はい。ラスト。よいしょ。オッケーです。ありがとうございます。Okay, let's take a picture together. Okay. ありがとう。ビデオ。Okay. 3、2、1、もちもち。ナイス。